Imagine a device that shouldn't exist. For years, the tech industry has been obsessed with bigger is better. We've seen smartphones grow into giants and tablets try to replace our laptops. But in the shadows of Apple Park, a different kind of revolution has been brewing. A device that defies the trend. A device that packs the raw, unbridled power of a workstation into a frame you can hold with one hand. We've waited through the silence, through the rumors, and through the delays. But the wait is officially over. This is the story of the iPad Mini 8, the most powerful compact computer ever conceived by human engineering. If you are watching this, you know the struggle. You want the portability of a phone, but the creative freedom of a Pro tablet. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. You've been teased with incremental updates for years, but today, we are peeling back the layers of a true paradigm shift. In this video, we are going to explore why the iPad Mini 8 is about to kill the iPad Air, why the A19 Pro silicon is a terrifying leap for the competition, and the secret behind the OLED display that finally fixes a decade of complaints. We aren't just looking at a spec sheet, we're looking at the future of handheld intelligence. If you think this is just another small tablet, you are about to be proven wrong. Let's start with the why. Why did Apple wait until 2026 to finally give the Mini the Pro treatment? The answer lies in the silicon. To understand the iPad Mini 8, you have to understand the thermal nightmare of small devices. Usually, power means heat. Heat means throttling. But with the jump to the 2-nanometer process in the A19 Pro chip, Apple has achieved the impossible. They have packed the performance of a high-end MacBook into a chassis that weighs less than a paperback book. This isn't just a chip, it's a nervous system. The A19 Pro features a 10-core GPU that doesn't just play games, it renders them with hardware-accelerated ray tracing that rivals the PS5. Think about the workflow of a creator today. You're sitting in a coffee shop in Austin, or you're on a flight to New York. You need to edit 8K ProRes video, or maybe you're a developer running localized large language models for your next AI app. In the past, you needed a bag, a charger, and a desk. With the iPad Mini 8, you need a pocket. That is the disruption we are witnessing. The neural engine in this device is now so fast that it can process Apple Intelligence 2.0 entirely on-device, with zero latency. No cloud, no lag, just pure, localized power. But power is nothing without a canvas. For years, the Mini community had one major grievance: jelly scrolling. That slight lag on the screen that made the device feel cheap compared to the Pro models. Apple didn't just fix it, they obliterated it. The iPad Mini 8 features the first ever Ultra Retina XDR OLED display on a small form factor. By utilizing the tandem OLED technology debuted in the M4 iPad Pro, the blacks are infinite, the peaks of brightness reach 1600 nits, and the refresh rate is a buttery smooth 120 Hz per motion. It's like looking through a window into another dimension. Whether you are color grading a film in the middle of a sunny park or reading a digital novel at 2 a.m., the clarity is breathtaking. Now, let's talk about the invisible design. While the footprint remains familiar, the architecture has been rebuilt from the ground up. There is a rumor, now backed by supply chain leaks,